for today. Today we are going to look at how to use the text split function. In this scenario, we have a data in a cell where it's separated by delimiters, the pipe, the hyphen, and in some instances we have the colon. But we want to use the text split function to separate them into the various columns: item, station, amount, and discount. How do we do this? Simply we start with an equal sign, text split, we select the content of the cell here. It will be B3, comma, then the column delimiters. Here the delimiters we want to consider, it's the pipe. So introduce apostrophe, the pipe in here. Don't forget that you are taking into consideration all the delimiters in there. We also want to consider hyphen, so we introduce the hyphen, then comma, we also introduce the colon, then we close it. Then we close it up with our curly braces or curly brackets, so that will form the delimiter bit, the column delimiter bit. Then simply we can just ignore the rest of the argument and just close our parentheses. Let's see what happens. This splits over very nicely, separated by the item where we have the hyphens. You can see that, station, amount, and the discount. You can see here that it has really split over, so simply you can just drag it down and it will apply to all. But you can see that it's not well aligned, especially when it comes to the station. How can we solve this? Simply we can introduce another function called trim, T-R-I-M, open our parentheses, close our parentheses, enter, and you can see now it's well aligned. Simply we can just now drag it down and it applies to all. This is how smart you can use the text split in combination with trim to pull out your data nicely from a cell. Thank you for following us, and continue to follow us on our channel, and don't forget to subscribe. Fred Excel. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.